One of my friends told me that he wanted to reset this iPhone to make it brand new, so that he can give it to someone else. But the problem is that when he tries to do that, the iPhone requires the Apple ID password before resetting it. The sad truth is that he forgot his Apple ID password. For those people with the same problem, I would suggest they try KeePass, which can reset all iPhones without an Apple ID password. This method works for all iPhones including iPhone 11, and the latest iPhone 12, and also works for all iOS versions, including iOS 16. So let's check out how to do it step by step. Step 1. Launch Star's Soft KeePass. First, open Star's Soft KeePass on your computer, then click on the Remove Activation Lock mode. Second, check the box to agree to the terms of use and click Start. Step 2. Jailbreak your iOS device. First, download jailbreak software. Then, insert a USB flash drive with a large amount of available storage space and click the Next button. Second, a pop-up window will remind you that installing the jailbreak tool on your USB flash drive will erase all your data in it. It's wise to back up the data first before clicking on Yes. Third, it will take several seconds to burn the jailbreak environment. Fourth, after the flash drive is prepared with the jailbreaking software, a QR code will appear. Scan this QR code with your iPhone to open a guide for the remaining steps. Once the jailbreak environment is burned successfully to your USB drive, you can follow the tutorial to jailbreak your iOS device on a Windows computer. If you'd like to get a tutorial on Star's Soft KeePass jailbreak iPhone, click the link below to learn. Step 3. Start the Remove Activation Lock. First, after the jailbreak is accomplished, please confirm your device information and click on Lock Now. Second, the iCloud activation lock removal is now in progress. It only takes a while to complete the process. Third, now the activation lock has been removed successfully from your iPhone/iPad/iPod Touch. You can set up your iOS device as brand new. Of course, you can solve this problem by resetting the Apple ID password first. You can do that via iPhone number or a recovery key, etc. However, if you'd like to go to Apple support, unfortunately, they can't help you reset the Apple ID password and you still need to go to forgot.apple.com, which requires your phone number, email and other information. This would be more tricky if you don't have another iOS device. So if you'd like to reset your iPhone but forgot the Apple ID password, the KeePass would be the easiest way, which doesn't require a phone number, email, security questions. It can directly remove the Apple ID and reset your iPhone. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any problems regarding iPhone locks, feel free to leave a comment below.